Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in this video, I will show you on how to disable startup apps on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and come to the bottom right here where you have your start menu. Right click on it. Then go ahead and make sure you click on settings. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to apps right here. Click on apps. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to startup right here. Click on startup. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you turn off as many as possible startup app that is annoy you each time you turn on your Windows PC. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and make sure I turn off this. And I'm going to go ahead and make sure I turn off Microsoft Edge running at the startup. And I'm going to come down below here, full link running at the startup. So you can review and turn off as many as possible apps in the startup app right here. So you are doing this to boost the startup of your Windows PC and stop annoyed apps that always launch each time you turn on your Windows PC. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.